Okay, so before we see any new code or new commands, I want to clean up the data that we currently have. If you remember, we kind of added a bunch of different cats databases. We have cats and cats1 and cats2 and cats3 and so on. What I want to do is delete the original cats table, and then we're going to remake it, but with a few additions, because our original cats table was the most basic. It only had name and age. But I want to add some other data in, like an ID that auto increments and so on. So basically, we're just going to remake the cats table and add new data in. So if you want to make a bit of an exercise out of this, the first step would be to delete the cats table. So do that now. And the command, if you want to see it, is drop table cats. So let's do it. Drop table cats. Whoops. There we go. And now that we've dropped the table, we want to recreate the table. So this is what we want here. We're going to have a cat ID, integer not null, auto increments. We're going to have a name, that's a varchar, a breed, that's varchar as well, an age that is an integer, and cat ID is our primary key. So if you'd like, go ahead and type that out, or just copy it, paste it in. Perfect. Of course, we could make sure it worked. Describe cats. There we go. All right, so the last step here is to add new data in. And I would like for you to have this same data because we're going to use it throughout this section. There'll be a couple of activities and questions, and it'll be much easier if you have the same data as me. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cats. Each one has a name, a breed, and an age. Some of them, there's a couple of Maine Coons, a couple of Tabbies, and a couple that have the same age, which we will use in just a little bit. So copy this, or if you're a masochist, you can type it out, paste it in. Perfect. And now we have 7 cats in our database, 7 rows. Okay, so now we've prepped our data. We've deleted the original cats table, remade a new special cats table with some more interesting pieces of data, and then we've inserted data in there as well. Awesome. Next, we're going to move on to talking about searching or reading data out.